Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to use health checklist on your iPhone. So let's start by opening health application on your device, and let's please ensure that you're in the section summary at the bottom side of the screen. And now in the top right corner, let's tap profile picture. And now under the features section, let's tap health checklist. And here you will see a list of different sections. So let's go to medical ID, for example, and this is basically your medical ID. Additionally, here you can manage such sections as emergency SOS, walk-in steadiness notifications, headphones notifications, and some others. So here you can go to different categories and set them up. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.